Hey guys, it's Crafts by S, and today I have a haul for you. Start off by taking this one. So I got this from Claire's. It's the Fun Weaves Christmas Wreath Kit. I already opened it, that's why there are not much in it anymore. Got some regular white 600 latex-free bands. Then I've got glitter pink, which comes with 300 bands and 12 C-clips. I think it's just so pretty because it shines like so much. And yeah. So next I have metallic gold, and I'm really excited about this one because I don't know, it just shimmers so much and I just love it. Then I have metallic silver, which is so pretty too. Then I have the mixed skin tone pack because I was running out of face bands. And lastly, I've got from Claire's because it was a huge sale, these neon purple bands. I think the color is so pretty. And then I've got some rounded bands from a DIY brand. And these are glitter dark, by the way. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.